Medical sources have been sorted after Nigeria's richest Folorunsho Alakija reportedly gone blind and is currently undergoing treatment. According to reports, Folorunsho Alakija lost her sight after a near-air mishap that deeply unsettled her. Reports from Sahara Reporters states that the billionaire Folorunsho Alakija and her husband, Modupe Alakija, chairman of Famfa Oil, were traveling in a plane when the incident happened, causing her blood pressure to rise. Reports said she lost her sight after the incident, although she changed her flight. One of the sources, according to Sahara Reporters, said she had a near mishap with her husband on board and her blood pressure reportedly shoot up after affecting her eyes. She has been having eyesight issues, but instead of treating the illness, she chose to start a church to help her. Now she can't see. While this news has sparked reactions online, Alakija nor her spokesperson have refuted or ascertained this claim. We will continue to monitor the story for more new development. Please stay tuned to NaijaNews TV.